Should you join the Made for Business Society or the Mastermind? So the Made for Business Society is absolutely for someone who has no business, is thinking about getting a business off the ground, or very early days in your business. Okay, very clearly that's the program for you. There's tons of tutorials in there, and I will help you get your business off the ground and help you make your first $10,000. We have an incredible program in there called Launch to 10K, and just so many things to help you get your business off the ground. But then once you start making money, you might ask yourself, okay, when is it time for the Marian Mastermind? And I really did play with an income requirement before, but the truth is there's no one number that says, okay, you've made it, like now that's appropriate for you. I'm going to tell you the kind of woman that's right for the Marian Mastermind, and then you're just going to schedule a call with me, and I will help you decide if your business is ready for the Marian Mastermind level. So if you have an offer that's converting, you should have made at least tens of thousands of dollars. Some of the women had made, multiple six figures for a couple years before coming into the Marian Mastermind. So there's a huge range of income levels with people who come in. But if you haven't at least made tens of thousands of dollars and you can say, yep, I sell this thing, I've sold it several times, I feel confident in it, it doesn't mean that you wouldn't like to know how to get more leads or how to sell it in a more efficient way or how to deliver it with better systems. But you're not still wondering, what is it that I sell? A lot of women in the Marian Mastermind with very established businesses, we tweak what they sell. We shuffle their orders, their offers around, but they have them, they sell them, they know that they can sell them. You have to have a website, right? You have to have gone through having a website, setting up an email list, some of those tech things. We don't spend a lot of time talking about tech in the Marian Mastermind. People do help each other, right? So if you say, hey, I'm looking for someone that can help me with email sequences, or who's running your Facebook ads, we're always helping each other and sending each other like websites, or I took this course and it was great, but I'm not teaching a ton of this is how you set up a website. This is how you do an email funnel. I have videos about that in the Made for Business Society, and all the mastermind people get access to those videos, but it's just not what we're talking about, right? And so if you are ready to grow a team, if you have a team, then you are absolutely ready for the Marian Mastermind. And then for both of these groups, they are just very, very Catholic. If you are not very, very Catholic, these programs probably aren't a good fit for you, right? Very Catholic, you're a mom, God has called you to business, and you are trying to make sense of that while raising kids. And in both programs, I'm going to teach you how to pray about your business. We're just talking about business at two different stages. And one is not better than the other. You just are at a particular business stage, and the society helps you be ready and grow your business to be ready for the mastermind. And the other thing about the mastermind is it is for women who own their own company. Okay? And so if you're a lawyer who runs your own law practice, that absolutely counts as running your own company. Or a doctor or a dentist, anywhere where you own the whole thing and you have to figure out how to get leads and to sell them and to run a business without losing your mind, you are a good fit for the Marian Mastermind. So if you have any questions, just message me. I'm on all the platforms. You can go to my website, submit a contact form. There's so many ways to get a hold of me. I would love to answer your questions if you're not sure. Applications open October 16th, and the last day to be interviewed, because I talk to everybody, is October 28th. So make sure you get it in before then. All right, my friends, have a blessed day.